Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how Tesla sold 75% of their Bitcoin. This was made in the second quarter. So the second quarter is from April 1st until July 1st. In this time they were selling 936 million worth of Bitcoin. And the price dropped from 47,000 to $17,600 for Bitcoin, and the average of Tesla was 29,000. I believe that one of the reasons of this huge sell-off was also the fact that Tesla sold their Bitcoins, and it was a cascade of liquidating the over-leveraged positions of Celsius, of Free Arrows, of Voyager, and other exchanges and investment companies. What is next? Looking at the chart, I see here a bearish flag. We saw that bearish flag up here too. And the price target for this bearish flag is 17,900 in my opinion. But Tesla haven't sold Dogecoin. In fact, they don't have billions of dollars in Dogecoin, but I think that Elon Musk wants to use Dogecoin for something else than merge on of SpaceX or Tesla. Maybe he will find a use case for Dogecoin when he buys Twitter. I think that eventually it will buy Twitter at a lower price, but they announced their entry on Bitcoin on February 2021. They sold more than 200 million close to the top at around 60,000. Now they also have a great average to sell Bitcoin, 29,000 if you consider the price today. If you want to short Bitcoin, in my opinion, the best exchange is Bybit. You have a link in the description of this video. They are also offering, I made a photo of here, $4,000 when you complete simple tasks on Bybit. It's not financial advice, as you know, but I would use them to short Bitcoin with 100x leverage when it will be once again on a resistance level, maybe oversold, and when the buy and sell indicators that you also can find on the description of this video will indicate something like this, something like a double sale in two close to each other candles, or even on the same candle. Look how accurate those signals were here, and also the double buy here. If you are interested in the indicators, you have them in the description of this video. Another good news for the people who were invested in Bitcoin 7 years ago, and they had the funds on Mt. Gox. They will be releasing by the end of August 141,000 Bitcoins. The price was back then, 7 years ago, $500, and now it's 23,000. I think that those $3 billion worth of Bitcoin will end up in the market, dumped in the market, and the price will go even lower from here. Another bad news is that the biggest whale in Bitcoin suddenly dumps over 1.4 billion in crypto as BTC cracks 23,000. This is also a bad news. And also the fact that the third largest Bitcoin whale transfers all its BTC holdings to Coinbase. This could be a cold wallet or or something that an exchange has. I don't want to believe that this wallet wants to prepare for the crypto winter selling all their bitcoins. Another news is that blockchain.com is cutting a quarter of its staff. The crypto industry slams SEC after it declares 9 tokens securities. You know that XRP was also declared a security by the Securities and Exchange Commission, and now it's halted on Coinbase. They declare another 9 projects as securities. They are AMP, Rally, DDX, XI Labs. You can find those cryptocurrencies here. I wouldn't touch them. As you know, it's not trading advice, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and everything we talk here is for entertainment and information purposes only. Also, Whale bought 1.7 billion worth of Ethereum futures. We must say that they didn't have the 1.7 billion, so it is a futures position. The amount of capital they invested is a lot lower. And also there is a threat that Ethereum is also declared a security. MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor says Ethereum is a security. Why? Because a cryptocurrency can only be a commodity if there is no issuer and no one is making any decision on the network. Ethereum has a management team, there was a pre-mine, there is a hard fork, and are continual hard forks on the blockchain. And to finish in a positive note, the biggest American bank, JP Morgan, sees crypto retail demand improving and of intense deleveraging phase. I'm looking forward to read your opinions about what will happen with Bitcoin next. Will this support hold, or it will dump to 17,000? You can also check my Patreon account for the best stocks and cryptocurrencies picks.